Hi everyone, Aryan here and welcome to this video. Today we are going to create this footer by using Bricks Builder and AutomaticCSS. Check the description of this video to know more about my setup. So this one is responsive too, so let's hop in and just build this. The first thing is templates into bricks and then add a new. And here you can basically copy the name or just name it as you wish. I will call it default footer. Like the example, and then here on select template type you should select footer. This is the one that you should use if you want to use it as a footer. For this tutorial, of course, I'm going to use it as a section and publish, and then add it with bricks. Great. Now I will start by clicking on the section, click on the container, and then click on the plus button. I will start with a logo, of course, so you can search for an image widget like this, then you click on it, select the image, and of course you search for your logo. Great. Then plus button again, we have a little basic text description, and then we have also this little menu here that we can create it by using a div or a block. Let's choose a block. Okay. The block, of course, we need to put it at the bottom, so drag and drop it here to change the order. And then after the block, we also have, some text. Let me check the design. So we have here and we have the text here. Okay, so let's go on basic text. Oops, I put it into the block, so move it outside of the block, sorry. Okay. So we have the block that this will be the menu wrapper. So you can click on it and call it menu wrapper. The basic text, we can replace it very quickly with this one or with your own text. And just type in 2004. Let's put our name like that. Great. You can also, simplify this, and then here what we have some text. Great. And then I'm going here and basically post it like this. Okay, great. So now let's work on the menu. So the menu is very simple. You need to have a menu wrapper, and then inside of the menu wrapper I would go with links, like search for a link. Okay, so we have our first link. And here you can name it as you want, but I will keep it text link for now, and then I will name it at the end. What you could do now is to BAM this thing here. I use AutomaticCSS to BAM it just for organizing it. Let's call it menu footer link. Let's call it footer link. Give me 1 second. Okay. Footer item link or something like that. Okay. Great. Now if I BAM everything. Okay. You have footer item link, apply classes. Now we have classes. So if I style this, it's actually going to change all the other ones. So I can duplicate these like a few times. I'm not sure how many are there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And the last one, 7. Great. So now I'm going to click on menu wrapper. And here on menu wrapper, okay, we, first of all, you can delete this one. We don't need it. And then we can actually, display flex. Great. Vertical, horizontal, and then we can add some column gap. Okay, something like that. Depends on the spacing you want. Great. And then HTML tag, I would go with LE. Okay, for a list. Okay, great. So we done this. Looks like now it's everything is okay. You of course can click on each link, and you need to link to internal page, external URL, whatever you want. So you can actually choose the link. Let's say I want to link it to an internal URL. Let's see if I have a sample page. Okay, so as you can see now it turns into a link. That's great. And after that you can name it as you wish. So let me delete the other ones, because like this I can link them easily. I will keep them all with the same link, and then basically you go here and you start typing this. Okay, about. And now I would duplicate this. Okay. And very quickly you can copy all the text. Oh. Okay. So very quickly you copy everything, and once done, we will go forward. Okay. The last one is done. Perfect. Now if I go on the container, with container selected, we can go and say align cross axis. Okay. And then we can add some row gap. You can choose the row gap you want. Let's go with XS. Great. So as you can see, this one it did not move because it's into a menu wrapper. So you go on menu wrapper and you do basically, the same thing. We have a horizontal row, and then let me see why it's not aligning. Oh, here is it. Align main axis. Okay. Great. So we basically done the menu really in no time. So if we get here, here, and here, we see that we have some problems with this one. We did not tell this one to get, align centered. Now it's centered, and if I get here, here, or here, as you can see, now it's centered, it's perfect, and you can actually, also add a background to the section. You click on section, you can go on, background, and just type in a background for this section, okay, as you wish. And yeah, so I also suggest to center this text here in case you have a longer text. Keep on style, center. And then if, let's say you want the menu item smaller, you need to click on the first one and go, if you don't, of course, if you did not set up on the general settings, like the theme settings or ACSS settings, the menu link styling, you can change it here by clicking on the first one, activating the item link, and then typography, and just say font size S. Okay, and as you can see, everything gets to the font size of S. Here you can also calculate, and basically calculate it, and let's make it a little bit bigger than what it is. Okay, and yeah, looks perfect. You can save, and we get our very cool and simple footer. Another thing you can do, let's say I want this text to be smaller, like I want to go in 2 rows. You can basically go on layout and tell him a width, of M, and look at this. It's even better than before. So you can really play around with that, and yeah. So I hope the tutorial was useful, guys. Thumbs up if, of course, did you like it? And of course, subscribe to the channel to get notified for new videos. Thanks, and see you in the next one. Bye.